I've always been fascinated by genetic disorders and how they occur and why they occur. So I felt biotech was the right subject because I could learn more about how gene research and gene sequencing can be used to impact our everyday life. I'm Annie and I study biotechnology at Edge Hill. We were able to get a lot of hands-on experience on research. With help from the careers department, I was able to take what I'm learning in my course and how to write about it and put it on my CV. One obstacle I faced was writing reports, scientific reports, which is something I had never done before. But after doing Bio in Practice, which is a module you do in first year, I gained a lot of experience. The teaching staff are very helpful. A lot of them do research, putting up internship opportunities, putting up research projects to look into and just have a taste out of what they're doing. Researchers from different unis across UK, you get PhD students coming to talk about their thesis. You get a wide range of different people in biology and biosciences for the different careers you could possibly get through the course. Biotech is very diverse and varied. There's plant biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, medical biotechnology. You can go into different sectors, for example, the food sector, or you could go into pharmacology or to work with the NHS. We have a lot of facility on campus. For example, we have the imaging center. There's a module where you get to use the scanning electron microscope to image different cells. Everyone in biosciences got the opportunity to go to Cyprus in first year to do different research. I really gotten an opportunity to grow independently as a researcher in Edge Hill, know how to present my work and also to sell myself.